Howdy everyone, this is Tricia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making avocado fries in my air fryer. This is the first time that I'll be trying this, and I looked up different recipes as how you can make these, and they pretty much have the same ingredients. The one ingredient that was a little different was my flour or cornstarch. Some people are using flour, some are using cornstarch. I went with the cornstarch. I read up on it and found out that it actually leaves you a crispier texture. I've actually sprinkled some paprika in there that you can't see because I've already stirred it around. You can season that if you wish. Now you'll need some breadcrumbs. I'm using panko breadcrumbs, and mine happen to have an Italian seasoning already in it. I already had these, so I'm using that. You can use another flavor if you wish, or you can use some plain ones and then season them as you like. I've got one large egg here that I've mixed up here that I'm going to be using for my recipe as well. I've also got some spray canola oil. You can use olive oil if you prefer, or whatever other spray oil you wish to use for your air fryer. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my avocado by peeling it and slicing it in the sizes that I want my fries to be. Avocado slices here. I've gone ahead and I sliced them. I think I did a kind of a thin job in slicing these. I probably would like them a little bit thicker, but I don't know. This is fine for now. We're gonna go ahead and go with it. We're gonna coat this really nicely with the cornstarch first. Dip them in the egg, get them wet, and then we're going to dip them in our panko breadcrumbs and tap them in like so. And there is my coated avocado slice. I'm gonna put these on a plate, and I'm gonna continue by doing the rest of these, and then we'll get ready to put them in our air fryer. All right, everyone, I have breaded all of my avocado slices. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to spray them with canola oil. I've gone ahead and I've sprayed a little bit in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay these down with the oil side facing down. So just want to put them in there carefully, and also not so close together so the air can go in between them and fry each one of them. Now I'm going to set my air fryer at 400 degrees, and I'm going to do a total of 10 minutes. But I'm going to do 5 minutes first and check on them and see how they look. Turn them over, give them a little bit of another spray if I need to, and then put them in for the remaining 5 minutes. So we're going to test this out, and I'll tell you what the total amount of time that I actually needed to fry these avocado fries. Another spray on top. Slide them in, and then our time is going to be 5 minutes. There we go. We'll be back. All right, it has been 5 minutes. Let's take a look at how they look right now. They are getting nice and golden. I can see some of that cornstarch coming through, so I'm going to go ahead and spray them a little bit more in those little spots. Okay, so now I'm just going to turn them over. And if I see any more of those little spots, I'll spray them again. And then I'm going to put it back in for another 5 minutes. All right, everyone, here are my finished avocado fries. It took 10 minutes at 400 degrees in the air fryer. I have to admit, I did take a taste of one of them, a small little piece, but it was so hot. It was kind of hard to enjoy, but I could feel the creaminess of the avocado inside, and the crunchy texture on the outside is unbelievable. Let me pop one open for you so that you can see the avocado is still nice and green inside, in case you're wondering, because you know I had that concern also. I'm going to dip it into some ranch dressing here. Maybe into some salsa if you prefer. I'm going to give myself a big old thumbs up. I hope you too will give me a big old thumbs up. These avocado fries came out delicious. This is something that I'm definitely going to be making again. Let me know if this is something that you're going to try in your air fryer, and let me know if you want to see more air fryer recipes. All right, everyone, please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified of my videos every Tuesday and Friday. And once in a while, I also have a weekend vlog. Thank you to everyone who has been subscribing to my channel and for the awesome feedback and love you have given me. Please share in your social medias, and as always, enjoy.